In this video, I want to show you how to make text appear and showing a clip in the CapCut Desktop app. The first step is to add text to the project timeline. Type the word you want to insert. Make sure the font you use is bold enough. Next, I will add an animation into the text. I set the animation duration to 1.5 seconds. And for the text layer, I set it to 5 seconds. After that, we need to create two keyframes in the transform section for the beginning and end of the animation. We also need to change the font size. Back to the transform settings first. At the end keyframe, maximize the scale value. Then adjust the position section as well. If the text display does not cover the entire screen, we have to readjust the font size section and adjust the text positions. So that it covers the whole screen. Ensure that when making these changes, you do so on the end keyframe. If all of the screen displays look white, then we also need to ensure that the text display on the initial keyframe is right. After that, we need to export this project. Next step, create a new project. Add the footage and the text clip that was previously created. After placing the text clip above the main footage layer, change the blend option from default to darken. We can also adjust the speed of the text clip by creating several keyframes in the curve option. And the result will look like this. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.